teamed up with Disney to film an epic video at Walt Disney World's Animal Kingdom. After you watch some of the behind the scenes, click the link in the description or at the end of the video to watch your best day ever on Walt Disney World's Best Day Ever. The link in the description to check out my Best Day Ever episode on Walt Disney World's Best Day Ever. Don't forget to like and comment on my video. I'll be reading the comments. See you guys next time. Bye!